Maybe these people refuse to see me. Like the bodiless heads you see sometimes in circus sideshows. It is as though I've been surrounded by mirrors. It keeps you explaining, over and over again, your reason for being. Somebody says you have no language, and you spend 20 years proving that you do. Somebody says your head isn't shaped properly, so you have scientists working on the fact that it is. Somebody says you have no art, so you dredge that up. Someone says you have no kingdom, so you dredge that up. None of this is necessary. There will always be one more thing. You can't get anything done. People sort of think it's an interesting, passionate, and igniting feeling. I don't think it's any of that. It's helpless. It's absence of control. And I need all of my skills, all of the control, all of my powers. And anger doesn't provide any of that. I have no use for it whatsoever. The things I have ever loved: scupping on wine, pool baptisms in silent water, dream walks, and number play.